So rethrowing errors. Now, in our previous example, so this one right here, we use try catch to handle a incorrect data. But is it possible that another unexpected error occurs, for example, if you forget to define the variable? So this would be kind of our own error. So let's just go down here. Let me copy this and let me change it a bit. So I want to, first of all, let's comment this out. So let's say I forget to call this with let, define it as variable, and we don't need this. We actually don't need this. We just need the error itself. Close the error and hey, close the parenthesis. So let me throw this. Well, actually nothing happens. Do we still have this commented in? Yeah, let me create another JSON. Let's just say let JSON. I'm going to create number 4 here. Okay, and this will be, let me just copy this one up here. Copy it in here, and we don't need our name. Just need the age. Okay, so this would be number 4. So let's throw this. So, well, we don't get any errors because this is our own programming error. Of course, everything is possible. Programmers do make mistakes. We do make mistakes. We are just human. In our case, the try catch is placed to catch incorrect data error. But by its nature, catch gets all errors from try. So from here it gets an unexpected error but still shows the same error, JSON error. So to avoid such problems, we can employ the rethrow technique. The rule is simple. Catch should only process errors that it knows and rethrows all others. So the rethrowing technique can be explained as following. Catch gets all errors. Okay? In the catch error block, we analyze the error object, so the error itself. If we don't know how to handle it, we do throw an error. Okay? Usually we can check the error type using the instance of operator. So let's go down here and let's say try user is equal to open close curly braces, and we're going to leave it as this, and let's say catch the error, and let's say if the error instance of reference error, then alert, and I'm going to type in here reference error. Okay, so let me just define up here another let with, let's see, JSON. This would be number 6. What number 5? Number 5. So let's create a JSON of age and let's say 35. Let's close this up. Let's go down here and in our try now, I'm going to create that let user and let's say JSON dot parse JSON 5, and down here we're going to create an if statement, and let's say if user has no name, then throw a new syntax error of the string of incomplete data, and the incomplete data is no name. Now let's go down here and also create that blah 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 blah, blah function with blah blah blah. And let's close it up and let's alert user dot name. Okay, and down here, let's say if the error instance of syntax error will alert JSON error, and we also want the error message. Okay, and also let's say else throw the error. Okay, so let's hit save. I don't want this. So let's try this again. Let's hit save. So JSON error incomplete, data no name. Okay, so the error throwing inside the catch block falls out of try catch and can be either caught by auto try catch constructor if it exists, or it kills the script. So I'm going to give you the last example, which will demonstrate how such errors can be caught by only by one or more levels of try catch. So let's go down here and let's say, actually need to comment this out. Let's say only this. I still need the JSON file. Let's say function and read data. I'm gonna call this read data the function. So I'm going to cut this out. I'll copy it and leave it in here. So copy it in here and let's say try. And within the try, I'm going to just say blah 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 something and close it up. So this will be our error, and this will catch the error. And within here, we're going to create a if statement. So if not error instance of syntax error, then we're going to throw the error. Okay. Now outside of here, I'm also going to do a try. And I'm going to read data. So I'm going to initialize this function within here. And then catch. If there's an error, alert. What should be alert? Let's say external catch, and we're going to let's go here plus the error. Okay, so let's say external catch reference error E is not defined. Wait, what? Throw the error. First of all, this should be this. Okay, external catch reference error is not defined. What am I doing wrong here? E reference error. First try, reference error blah is not defined. Okay, so now I'm getting the right error. So here the read data only knows how to handle the syntax error, while the outer error, our outer try catch, so this one right here, knows how to handle everything. Okay, guys, so this is pretty much it for rethrowing. Let's stop. We're going to do the try catch final. So see you in the next video.